Hey everyone, today I'm really excited to show you how I got my new website called iMovie Made Easy, and I used Google Domains to register my domain, and then I hooked it up with RiVYT, and if you're interested in seeing how I did that so you can do it too, I'm going to walk you through it. To make sure you see all my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. We are going to search up domains.google.com, and then what you're going to do is find a domain so that we can create a site. And you can see one of the reasons why I like Google Domains is that it is tied to your Google account, which is great, and it's nice to keep it all together. First thing you're going to do is you're going to start looking for domain names. So a domain name is your website address, just like youtube.com, but you're going to want your own, like Shelly Saves a Day. So I'm going to try one where it says teach me how to YouTube. You don't have to add the .com, it will add it for you. And then what it's going to do, it's going to show you all these available sites that you could purchase. Each one is separate, each one has a different cost. You'll see some of them are more expensive than others. .com is what is referred to as a top level domain, or TLD, and there are others. They used to be more stringent on who could have each type of extension, but they've kind of lowered that. You could be .org or .net, and some people will like to purchase all of the different domain ends or all of the popular ones so that no matter which one you go to, you can be forwarded to one site. And it's just a way to kind of guarantee that you've locked down that name so no one else can go in there, buy the other one, and then have stuff that could even be like a competitor to you or something like that. Then what you'll do is you're just going to hit the little cart on the side so that you can add it to your shopping cart. One thing that's really nice about Google Domains is that the privacy protection is usually defaulted to on. Other places, they will charge you extra $5 to $6 for each site that you have for the protection. So it's really nice that Google Domains actually holds on to that for free. You can select whether or not you want auto renew to be on or off, and it's going to go through each one of the websites. So this for me, if it renews automatically every year, and you can select off if you don't. So some reasons why you would want to have a domain for only like a year. Some people will create like a wedding website and you only need it up for a year or something like that. So other than that, I usually would say renew because you want to make sure that you still have that license and you still have that address. And then I'm going to fill out this information here. Okay, then they have these services. Okay, I'm not going to set this up right now because I'm not ready. So a G Suite business is $12 every user per month, and then its basic is $6 per user per month. And the differences is the unlimited cloud storage or 1 terabyte per user if fewer than 5 users, backup emails and chats indefinitely, and added controls and reports to help protect your business. $6 a month, you have your custom email address, and then you have 30 gigabytes of online storage and video meetings. Okay, and you can have shared calendars, so that is good to know. So that is how you purchase domains through Google Domains. And next up, it's going to be actually how to set up a website and forwarding to a service. First thing we'll do under My Domains, select one of the new domains and hit Manage. Select DNS settings. Leave everything alone but scroll down to the registered host. Now open a new tab and go to RiVYT.com. I really like RiVYT. I even made a video about how to set up a free RiVYT website. I did it under 5 minutes. If you want to see that, I will link it up in the cards and in my description box. They make beautiful websites. You can showcase your online videos. You don't need to patch or update anything like any other sites. You can totally get started for free, or they even have an option for a low monthly price too. I am a partner with them, and I think I still have a discount with them if you want to save a little bit of money. Simply start by typing in your channel name and take it from there with live previews of your site and templates you can change and customize. So I'm going to go with the previously created RiVYT site, and it houses my iMovie videos. In your RiVYT site, go to Menu, Settings, scroll down to Custom Domain. They have provided instructions here for your host name, IP address, and the new address for logging into your website once it's active. It can take up to 48 hours, but usually it's really fast. So you're going to copy and paste that IP address that they just gave you, and now we're going to go back into the My DNS settings page on the Google Domains page. The only field I'm updating is the Custom Resource Records section.
and the last box before hitting that add button. After it has been added and you have that option below, you can see you can edit or delete it. That's how you know it was registered, and in the future you can change it there. We are going to put in the website URL that you just purchased from Google Domains or wherever you purchased yours from in the custom domain field. When I hit save, you'll notice that the address bar in the top bar has changed and is now redirecting me to the new website. RiVYT is going to ask you to log in again to access your menu and settings area. And now you can edit your site as you normally would, and you can do additional customizations including custom CSS if you're familiar with how to code a bit, and I'm also going to add all of my social media links, which will show up across the bottom of my site. You can hook up a store inside of RiVYT to sell items and integrate with PayPal, accept payments, and you can integrate with your MailChimp mail list and create custom About Me sections in your website. You can change the layout and apply new templates, which I think I'm actually going to do right now. I'm really happy with my site, and you can see it was super simple to set up. Another great reason to set up an external site like this is it's good for boosting your SEO, to have your videos be more places online. And I especially love that I can choose which videos that I'm using for this website, and for this one they can be all iMovie videos specifically. So if you have any questions, let me know, but you might want to think about setting up a site for yourself, and now you know how.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I put out a new video every week. I can't wait to hang out with you guys again. I'll see you very soon. Bye!